How's it going, everyone? Welcome to our garage. Hope you guys are having a great week so far. Hope everybody's healthy and doing good. So today on the 2020 Harley Fat Bob, we are going to be switching out our turn signals, driving lights, rear brake lights. With the front, we're going to go with a LED panel. It's supposed to be like super bright, and that's what I'm hoping. It alternates between like a driving light, it's white, and turn signal. It flashes white and orange when the turn signals are activated, or hazard lights. And the back, we're going with just a high intensity LED bulb. All the bulbs that are going in are replacement type. I'll show you in a minute. They are the 1157s and they all fit. I've actually checked them prior to this, so we're good with that. But I'm going to go ahead and show you real quick what we're installing into the bike tonight, and then we'll get going on the install. So, alright, so here's what we're going to be installing tonight. We're going with, these are the front turn signal driving lights that I told you about. They have the little high intensity LED lights on them. And again, it is a, let's see if I can get that in focus. It is the 1157 plug. This is basically like a plug and play. You just put it into the regular light bulb spot and they work. And these are by, let's see if I can get all that here, Eagle Lighting, I believe it is, and a little bit of cover, but I will link everything in the description, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. And then here we're going with the Super Bright, I guess, by iBrightStar. These are also the 1157s, but you can see their focus. There we go. These are also the 1157s, and you can see the rows of LEDs around there, and then they have the projection with the 3 LEDs in the end. I believe that's for the brake lights. And then we got the clear lenses we're going with. I picked those up from Golden Spike Harley. Again, I will have the links to all these in my description. And with that being said, let's go ahead and get on to the install. All right, so this is actually a fairly easy switch out here. If you look here, there's a little notch in the light that we can just slide a standard screwdriver into, give it a little pop. That'll remove the lens. Give the light a twist, pulls it out. You can see it's already got a lot of gunk on there, so we're not gonna use any more. Not sure what the official name of that stuff is, but okay. Then once you get your new light, you just go ahead and slide it into there. Ooh, first time. And then this should pop right into here, just like that. Give it a little twist so that the wire doesn't get tangled up back there. Pop it into place, maybe. There we go. And that is how you change those around. So let's get the other side done. Okay, and again, we find the little notch. Pop the screwdriver in there. Pop the light out. And there we go. Plug this one in. First time? Yeah, look at that. Put this in place. Nope, gotta get it lined up correctly. There we go. Give that a little wire twist back there so it doesn't get tangled. Pop it back in place. And there we go. Front lights are done. So let's go ahead and move around to the back of the bike and do the rear lights. Alright, so with the rear lights, it's basically going to be the exact same thing. We're going to pop off the caps. One. And we'll get the second one off here. There's two. We'll pop out the lights. We're going to replace them with the new ones. Screw it in. Ah, I didn't get it first try. Or second. Third? No. Fourth time's a charm, right? Okay, fourth time. Put these in. first time. And then we'll go with the clear lenses. Pop that baby back on there. One more. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how easy it is to change out our lights. So let's go ahead and take a look. This right here was how it looked before. You see here the amber lights with the, actually these are just straight white lights with the amber covers. Strictly turn signal and running lights, that's it. And then back here we have the turn signals, red covers, white lights. But now we're going with red and white. So let's go ahead and check out what it looks like now that they've been changed. Look at that. Those are the new running lights. Let's check out our hazards. Heck yeah. Alright, let's walk around to the back and see if the backs look any brighter. So I would say those are brighter. I'm not really sure. Those are just the regular straight running lights. Let's see if we can see a reflection on the door. I didn't think of checking the brake lights before I started. So watch the reflection on the door when I hit the brakes. Oh yeah, those are bright, really bright. All right, well, check those out. Again, I will post the link to everything in the description. You guys want to check them out. If you got a Harley Fat Bob and you want them for your bike, I would say get them. They're hella bright, nice and white. But all right, that's gonna do it for the install on the bike today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, click the like button. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please do so. If you want to be notified when more videos come up, which hopefully this summer we'll have a lot of stuff, because I'm going to be doing moto vlogs again and vlogging pretty much everything we travel. I'm going to just throw everything out there for you guys this year and hope you enjoy it. Again, I'll post the link to all the stuff that I installed on the bike today down in the description if you want to check it out. If you guys got a bike and you want to try it for your, make sure it fits though, or find it under whatever type of bike you got. But anyways, like I say, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, great. And with that being said, we will see you guys on the next video. Take care, be safe, take care of one another, everything, you know how it goes. We'll see you guys around. Bye. Peace.